What is up, you lovely gamers out there? It's your boy here, A Games 27, guys, and I'm joined today with Lopez. Hey, Lopez. So, guys, yo, guys. So we're here at Torquay, and guys, this place is amazing. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna do some cinematic montages, and it's gonna be so good. Oh, one of my favorites. Whew. Guys, I'm gonna actually just cut to the scenes. Like, yeah, it's gonna be so good. Yeah, boom. Yo guys, I can actually hear the ocean. It's amazing. It's actually amazing. When I'm going down the stairs, down to the ocean that is right in front of us. Whew. Alright. Lopez, you ever been here?
Huh?
Ever been here? Like to this location?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. Wow.
All the time. There is more. You can go all the mountain. It's stairs for all the mountain.
So you can go pretty much everywhere.
You can go 1 hour around here.
Damn. Yo, this is so good. Hold on, let me switch. Like, oh my god, what am I missing out on? Oh my life. Back to the whole cinematic thing. Yeah. Like, I'm not even joking. The last time I saw red mountains and stuff, right, was in Africa, and that was just it. Like, oh. This place is amazing. It's so beautiful. What the hell? Yo, we're here, guys, we're here. It's amazing. It's so good. I'm good. Yo guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the camera down a little bit and have to do some fun. I'm gonna get changed, and so we're gonna take some Instagram pictures, and it's gonna be so amazing. And then I'm running around the sun now, like it's amazing. So yeah, in a bit, guys. Yeah. I don't know. Well, I think my phone is waterproof, but like I'm not fully like sure that my phone is waterproof and stuff. So I don't want to like risk my phone not being waterproof and me going in the ocean like this. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, this water is so salty. I'm gonna kick the water and stuff. Look at Lopez. Lopez just looking at me like, what's this kid doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, Lopez, I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa! Burning out now. Wait, hold on. In a sec, guys. It's late. I got a towel on. It's like close to November, guys. It's October. And it's so damn cold. Like, what the hell? I lied to Lopez. I told Lopez that it wasn't cold, and he went in. It's really cold. I'm pretty much sure I drank like 1 liter of water, of a bottle of water, like the huge ones. Just like drank like, actually no, I feel like I've drank the full bottle, like one of them small bottles of water. I feel like I just drank half like the ocean thing. Yeah. So my mouth's pretty salty right now. My eyes, I don't know why, but I chose to keep my eyes open when I was in the water, and my eyes are salty as so can come. I'm gonna get changed. I really need to pee right now. That's a good thing. There's so much water here. I'm joking. I won't do that. I'm really right. The worst here, guys. If I'm in there, I'm not cold. I kind of feel like I'm already there, so it doesn't affect me. Because I'm not there right now, it's affecting me a lot, and I really don't like that. Who cares? It's freaking amazing. Yo, I want to come back here with a drone and just like mess this shit buzz up. Yeah, I want to do that, but you know, yeah. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit, yo. My phone is so in, my eyes are so red, like what the hell? Lopez, you see my eyes? So I opened my eyes in the water. It's so and it's so red right now. You don't even understand. But you guys, was freaking amazing. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Peace. Alright guys, so we're leaving this beautiful and amazing place that is so lovely and amazing and so beautiful, and I will never forget it because I've got everything on vlog, and it's so good, guys. It's actually so good. We're just gonna walk ahead now. And so yeah, so as we're leaving this amazing place, I want to go ahead and say that this was one heck of a day. Any regressions? Yes, I'm very cold right now. But if someone asked me, would you do this again? I would do it 1,000 times more. It maybe even more than 1,000 times more. But the only other regret is that we have to climb back up the mountain. I can't do this. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the top in a bit. Alright guys, so we're now leaving Lopez place. I said goodbye to Olive, and I also said goodbye to everyone else. So overall it's been quite a day, not gonna lie. I don't know if I should be speaking to this mic or that mic right here, that's on my phone. But yeah, overall it's been one heck of a day. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe. I don't know if there's gonna be any other parts of this vlog. It's always gonna plug the exit as like an exit thing, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like if you guys are new, and headbutt does nothing. Actually don't headbutt anything because it's bad, it hurts and it's bad. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Leaving Tokyo in a big guys.